Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how many subscribers do you actually need to make money on YouTube. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing I wanna mention you that you do not need only subscribers but also watch hour to have monetization on YouTube. I will show you on live because right now I'm on Creator Studio or YouTube Studio on of my channel. So if I just go to the earn option for monetization, if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see that it is written reach requirements to apply. So it is written 1000 subscribers, so I need exactly or over 1000 subscribers, and you can see it is written and on of the following. So either I need 4000 watch hour or either I need 10 million shorts view. So you can just complete any of the milestone, but you must have 1000 subscribers with 4000 watch hour or 10 million shorts view. But there is an update that can accomplished at this year. The new update says you need only 5000 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads within the last 90 days, either 3000 public watch hour within the last year or 3 million public short views in the last 90 days. So it is not already applicable, but it can be applicable sooner or later. But right now the update is you need 1000 subscribers at least and 4000 watch hour in last 1 year or 10 million short views in last 90 days. So that's the update, and if this information helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.